And then the sewers ain't properly cleaned and everything else ain't clean and stuff.
And so your basement is flooded?
Yes.
And you think it's because the sewer lines and the drainage just doesn't work in this area here?
Yeah, sometimes they do. Now, right now, they down there at the pump stations checking them out and stuff.
And so, are you just out here checking the road to see see whether it, because it looks like it's barely passable right now. Have you seen anybody get stuck or anything?
Not really. It looks like the car's coming through, but I know back down through there, it's really flooded.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really flooded and stuff.